All right, welcome back to the channel where we do things Colts way. It ain't always the right way, but we get it done. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the oil on a John Deere zero turn, and probably the air filter as well. It's super easy, but just to go over some key areas, this is the air filter right here. That's your oil dipstick right there. Underneath here is your oil filter. It's a black round thing, depending on what brand it's black. And here, right here is the oil drain valve. I don't know if you can see that, but you just a 10mm nut driver, twist it to the left, and it opens up and it drains down this little hose right here. I got it drained into my oil pan. I can't find my oil wrench today, so I'll use these channel locks here to twist the oil filter loose. But let's get right into it. First thing I like to do, I've already done it. I'll loosen this, get a little air gap in it. Now I'll take this. I'm hoping you can still see it. The camera shut off. I'll take this, fit it on there, and turn it left. And oil starts coming out. Don't know if I can. And I don't know if you can see that bead under there, but that is oil coming out. I wish I could. I better go get my flashlight on my phone just real quick. Real simple. Sorry about the mess. I just got rid of my toolbox. Well, of course it ain't gonna show it. You can kind of see a stream right there coming out. So I'm gonna let that drain right now, and I'll get back to you when it's done. All right, so the oil's about done draining. I don't have a filter wrench today, but the oil filter's small enough where I can get some channel locks over it. I've done this before because when you're tightening the oil filter back on, you usually just hand tighten it anyway, so it's not real hard to get off. But for video purposes, I'm just going to take this and get it kind of starting. And I might have to put this thing down and use two hands, but broke open a little bit right there. Let me put this down real quick and get it to where I can get it. But I just don't have an oil filter wrench right now, so all right, it's a lot faster when you got oil filter wrench. But so now I'll take this and start spinning it off slowly, and move your, let it kind of keep coming slow. And mind you, it's hot. Let it sit there upside down for a little while and just drain. All right, I'm gonna let this drain a couple more minutes, and we'll start again. All right, while that's finishing draining, I'm just gonna kind of go over what I use. I always use John Deere. This is their torque guard, SA30. This is what I use. The part number is a TY26790. I can link this in the video description. And here is the oil filter. I use John Deere as well. It's AM125424. I can link that in the description as well if you want to purchase it from a link. But now that that's just about done, what I kind of like to do is, so we're going to get this down here, sitting on that. and dab a little bit of oil. Let me see if I can get out of the light. I'm doing this one-handed. So, dab a little leftover oil, and there's an O-ring on here. Just take that oil and rub on that O-ring. I do this on all oil filters. Makes it easier when it's coming off. I just kind of dab a little oil, and then we're going to screw this one back on. I hope the sunlight isn't messing up my, but just a little bit more. Dab it, bring it around. Be careful when you put it on. And like I said, I usually just hand tighten it. It ain't got to be super tight. It ain't got to be He-Man, but just get it as good as you can. Use a towel to get a little bit better grip, and then you're good to go. I'll take this old oil filter, I'll put it in there. All right, now I know that sunlight's killing me probably. Now what we need to do, it's done draining, so let's tighten the drain valve back up. Real simple. Let me get my you ain't got to over tighten it like He-Man, just get it pretty good, snug. So the oil filter snug, drain snug. All that's left is to add the oil. I'm going to get a funnel and I'll set this up. This mower takes 1.9 quarts, 2 quarts with the oil filter, so 2 quarts. I'm going to get my filter and I'm going to set my camera up and we'll pour 2 quarts in there. All right, and we're back. So I got my filter or my funnel right there. I'm going to pour 2 quarts. Be careful not to go too fast because this funnel's small and it will overflow. All right, here's 2 quarts. All right, now what you're gonna want to do, pull this back, take a look under there, make sure it ain't leaking. I don't see any leaks there. I don't see any leaks right there. You'll notice if it's leaking. So then I'll put the dipstick back in there. Let me clean that off a little bit. Can't never have it too clean. So just kind of wipe this around it. Clean it off just a little. Okay. And then we'll put this back on it. What I'm gonna do is start it up. I'm gonna start it up, let it run for a minute. Double check there's no leaks. Still good. So I'll start it up. Make sure there's no leaks, and then we'll check the oil level after that, and we should be done. this up like this, and I'm assuming, well, surely everybody here knows how to check the oil, but I'll set this camera up somewhere where you can see me. And all the while be still looking for leaks. So I'm good. And I'll check it the next day or two just to make sure. So I'll take this off and I'll wipe it down good like that. And I'm gonna stick it in. Now, when you check the oil level, don't twist it and check it. In order to check the oil level on this, you just stick it in there until you get to where you're supposed to twist it, and then don't twist it. Check the oil level without twisting it. It says it right on the stick. And I don't know if you can even see it, but it's right there at full. So we're good to go. I'll wipe it down one more time. And now I'll get it ready to be screwed on. And you've just now changed the oil. It's that simple. No leaks, and I'll check it the next couple of days. Just keep an eye on it, and we're good to go. Now, next thing is the air filter. I change this once a year or two, sometimes twice. Once again, I use John Deere air filter. It is part number M131802. I'll link this in the description of the video. And it's real simple, real simple. So you've got a thing right here that says top, and there's a little inlet or outlet valve right here, so you want that pointing down. So top up, you'll flip this one, you'll flip this one, take this thing off like this. We'll put the phone down, or the GoPro down, and we'll see if we can get it. Oh, I gotta loosen this thing up, guys. I'm sorry. All right. So it just comes out just like that. There's a new one. There's a hole on this end, so you just insert it like that. Get in there tight. Top up, and it'll line up. So put this on like this. Top pointing up. And snap it back down, and in about 15 minutes you've done changed the oil and the filter. And I'm going to do a video on the blades here in just a little bit, but like I said, the next couple days, just keep an eye on it, make sure it ain't dripping. I might even go back and get my filter wrench, the real one, not the channel locks, and tighten up the filter just a little bit. But all you need is hand tight. As you can see, it's hand tight and it ain't leaking. That's all there is to it. Look, if this video helped you, I appreciate y'all watching. If it helped, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, but like I said, I'll link a video to how to change the blades in this description somewhere up here in the corner, and you can click on that during this video sometime and teach you how to change the blades. But appreciate y'all watching. God bless. Thank you.